Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the lumbrical muscles of the foot. Firstly, where are these muscles located? The lumbrical muscles are four muscles located on the plantar surface of the foot. To get a closer look at the lumbricals of the foot, we need to look at the plantar view of the foot. These muscles are located in the second layer of plantar muscles, seen here highlighted in red. The other muscle located here is the quadratus plantae muscle. Also seen in this layer are two tendons from muscles outside of the foot that attach to the foot, the flexor hallucis longus tendon and the flexor digitorum longus tendon. Where do these muscles originate from? These four small muscles originate from the tendons of the flexor digitorum longus muscle. If we take a closer look at the lumbrical muscles, we can see the tendons of the flexor digitorum longus muscle highlighted in yellow. The first lumbrical originates from just the medial side of the first tendon of the flexor digitorum muscle. The remaining lumbrical muscles originate from the medial side of one tendon and the lateral side of the adjacent tendon. What is the course of these muscles? The first muscle runs distally along the medial side of the first tendon. The rest of the muscles run distally down the foot between the tendons. The fibers of these muscles merge to form tendons. Where do these muscles insert onto? These muscles insert onto the bases of the proximal phalanges of digits 2, 3, 4, and 5. The second, third, fourth, and fifth proximal phalanges can be seen here highlighted in blue. What arteries supply blood to these muscles? These muscles are supplied by the lateral plantar artery. The lateral plantar artery can be seen here highlighted in yellow. These muscles are also supplied by the plantar metatarsal arteries. The plantar metatarsal arteries can be seen here highlighted in blue. What about nerve supply to this muscle? The first lumbrical muscle is innervated by the medial plantar nerve. The medial plantar nerve can be seen here highlighted in red. The other three muscles are innervated by the lateral plantar nerve. The lateral plantar nerve can be seen here highlighted in blue. What actions are this muscle involved in? These muscles function in the flexion of digits 2 through 5 at the metatarsophalangeal joints. In other words, it functions in the movement of the toes downwards. They also function in the extension of digits 2 through 5 at the interphalangeal joints. In other words, it functions in the movement of the toes upwards. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the lumbrical muscles. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.